Guys, welcome to the channel. Channel is Sonia's Adventure and I am Sonia. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe. Watch some of the videos. I have videos 1 minute long, 5 minutes long, 20 minutes long. There's something there for you to watch. Please watch. Please like, share, comment. Watch the ads. That's how your girl make a little money. Turn on the notification bell so each time I drop a video, you'll be notified. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here. You know I love to come up here and give my 2 cents every now and again. So, yes. Guys, it's a beautiful day here in Georgia. And I sincerely hope that wherever you are, wherever you find yourself, when you come across this video, it will be good and it will be pleasant for you. Let's talk about the just past Paris Olympics. That's what I want to talk about today. It won't be a long video. I don't know much about sports, but as a Jamaican, I'm in my feelings right now because our team Jamaica didn't do as well. Even though I am very much aware that we can't be in tip-top condition or tip-top performance in every Olympics. Okay, we are only humans. So we took home, Team Jamaica took home 6 medals and we are grateful for that. But I think Jamaicans are most upset about the 100 meter and that Kishane Thompson they stole his gold medal and gave it to Noah Iles of the USA. But you know something, God not sleep, because further on in this video, if you are not aware of what is happening or what has been happening, let me bring you up to speed, up to date. So yes, Noah Iles himself, even after the race, went to Kishane Thompson and told Kishane that he think he won the race. And I have a little clip up here. I can show the clip as well. So we upset about that. I heard that they were going to appeal the decision. I don't know if they're still going through with it or whatever, but because what team always do so well in this event, a lot of Jamaicans, we still can't get over it right now. But guys, listen. Congratulations to, hold on. Just like how I'm bigging up the Jamaicans, let me big up our Caribbean neighbor. Gosh, I forget the young miss name, but she's from St. Lucia. Oops, sorry about that. I'll put her name up on the screen. She won the 100 meter over Sha'Carri Richardson. We didn't have anybody in that race. Shericka Jackson or Fraser Price wasn't in that race. And the American girl, Shericka, was favored to win this race. But she got beaten by a St. Lucia girl, and I hear they are celebrating in St. Lucia, that small island, Caribbean island of St. Lucia. So big up to St. Lucia in cupping that goal. We are so proud of you. Big up also to Leslie Tobago. Tobago. I like to pronounce people's names correctly. From Botswana. African young brother, young 21 years old, won the goal over the loudmouth Noah Iles. He won the gold medal. They took that gold medal from Kishane and gave it to him, as I say, by 0.005 seconds. And he was a showboat. He was going on so much. But the 200 meter is his primary event. Right? That's what he's known for. That's what he prides himself in winning. Even though he came to the Olympics thinking that he could get 2 gold medals. One in the 100 meter and the other one in the 200 meter. And guys, guess what happened? This young man from Botswana beat him to it. And you know something, beat him fairly and squarely. In Jamaica we say him give him donkey length. You understand? Not like what happened with Kishan. And by the way, this Olympic was Kishan's first Olympic. So he's coming back in 2028. All being well. And he's going to cup that goal. Remember, I told you right here. So this young man beat this Noah Isles by lengths. He was so embarrassed. He was so embarrassed. Guys, I know you all must have seen how before the start of the race, this American sprinter, how he came out of the stands, right? And came onto the tracks, prancing, putting on a whole circus show. I don't know if it's to intimidate his competitors or what. But the fact that this guy beat him so soundly, humbled him, till he had to blame it and testing positive for COVID. And that's really why I'm making this video, because I'm still in my feelings. So them rob Kishan and gold medal. Them show 2 days, 2.5 days after he exited the Olympics in Paris, under the disguise that he had COVID. They found him in a club, gyrating, doing the latest dance, carrying on, not wearing no mask and everything, after they wheel him off. they wheel him off of the track in wheelchair, give press conference. So whatever happened, he went into the 200 meter event knowing that he had COVID and this and that and whatever. And they said it's his usual thing to find an excuse every time he loses a race. So this wasn't new to them, but people is just out here. There are so many videos going around to show that guys, this guy was just pretending that he had COVID as an excuse because he was so soundly beaten into 3rd place. Guys, I'm not going to make this video too long. I don't want it to be too long. So, I'm going to run the clip now of him in the club. 2.5 days. I don't even know if this guy collected his bronze medal, the way he got out, the way he left Paris so fast. He didn't want to compete in any other event. These Americans, I tell you, but we come in, our Jamaican team coming 2028. My words. Alright, because we've been at this for a very, very long time. And little Jamaica, well, look about what Talawa. The Americans are so afraid of us. Ask anybody. Alright? Big up to the Jamaican team. Love you guys so much. Guys, I'm going to drop the video here. Alright?
Noah Lyles said this is where he gets to show his speed. His top speed. There's an answer.
So guys, I'm going to drop the video of him in the club quick and fast. Alright, we're just doing it like this because, you know, YouTube guideline, we don't just want to take people video and just put it up here like that. So just watch with me. That was the race that he got beaten into 3rd place by the guy from Botswana, and this is him in the club 2 days after I claimed that he lost the race by having COVID. Okay, so watch with me.
Later. If you go back for me, you should go back for me. Back for me, back for me. Hey, 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 hey,